Today I'm going to show you how to service a activated carbon filter. Now the activated carbon filter is used most in applications where there's critical equipment, where you need to remove those additional oil vapors. And in this case, this unit is a single user breathing panel. So similar to our other filter setup, the water separator and the oil coalescing filter, the activated carbon filter, all you're simply going to do is twist and remove the aluminum housing. As you can see, it will drop right away from the element, and there's a bottom baffle on here. You simply can twist this baffle, and as you can see, it'll come down and separate from the internal rod holding it in place. And then that'll drop down from there. And all you need to do is simply swap out for your new one, put that kind of O-ring at the top that's sealing it, put your bottom baffle back on here, complete that seal at the top, and then twist your bottom baffle back on. Once that's attached, you simply can take your aluminum filter housing, attach it back to the airline block. Simple and easy. The activated carbon filter is mandatory every 6 months for maintenance. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us at tsunami.us.com.